back to my channel. This is Beauty by Ada here, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a knotless box braid on your own hair. So I just hope, I mean, doing your own hair can be so tedious, but then I just have to do this. My hair is a natural 4C hair, by the way, so it is going to be more difficult for me to do. It's not like a fine hair. It's very thick and, you know, difficult to comb out, but I'll be doing this look, so just stay tuned and watch. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. Without much talking, let's just get started. So for this hair, I'm using my Eco Styling Gel, and I'll be using this Ease braid. I think I'll be doing one pack. I don't want it to be too much. It's a large, like a jumbo knotless braid, so I don't want it to be too much, so I'll be using this. And then of course, because I would like to like pat my hair out, I'll be doing like the rubber band method. So I'll first pat out all my, you know, cut out all my hair, pat it out the way I want it to be, and then use the rubber band method. I ran out of my shine and jam, so that is why you don't see me using the shine and jam today. Of course, you need a tail comb, and of course the normal comb to comb out your hair. So I'll first start by combing out my hair so that it will be easier for me to, you know, I need to work that hair. So you guys, you can see I used the brush. That comb is actually for detangling natural hair. You can see that I used that to detangle my hair. It was just so much work trying to get this done, but I actually pulled through. It was just so much work, but it's something that you can do as well. It's something you can try out if it's your first time trying to braid your hair, especially during this quarantine period when people, so most stylists and braiders aren't taking clients. We can just try it out and see how it goes. So most times when I want to do my hair, because it's a natural 4C hair, I go ahead to pat it, and most of the time I use the rubber band method because it helps me to keep, you know, the down parts neat and at least clean enough to look at. You know, it doesn't look so rough, so that helps me to pat out the hair clean. And as you can see, I am using the Eco Styling Gel to also kind of like detangle my hair, like comb it through, because I don't want to see any lumps in the hair. Like I don't want it to be so stiff, and I just had to use the gel to smoothen everything out and make it easier. It makes that easier for me when I start braiding. So now this is the Ease braid. I ended up using it's 4 inside. I ended up using 3 of it. So guys, if you're here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking that subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell, so you know whenever I post any video, you don't miss any upload, you don't miss my next upload. So please subscribe and click on that notification bell. So this is what I'm doing. You just have to patch your hair into 3, more like you're trying to do a feeding braid. Then try starting it up, then you start adding up your braiding hair. So depending on how thick you want your hair to, you want the braids to be, that will determine how many hair braiding hairs that you add in. But mine, I did not want it to be so thick. I just wanted something very light and simple. So I added only 3 braiding hairs. I'm not even going to lie, girl, like this, braiding your own hair is sort of, it's like a bit tricky and it's like a bit difficult, but then you just can do it. I guess because I don't usually, do my hair all the time, maybe that's why I'm finding it a bit difficult. Not like so difficult, but I don't know how to explain that, but it's just a bit. So you see why I used the rubber band method, because it actually helped me a whole lot, parting out the hair, because without this rubber band and the gel and everything that I used, it wouldn't have been this neat, and I don't think it would have been this neat, not at all, because I have a 4C hair. I don't have like all the 3A 3B kind of hair. This is a 4C hair, which is like tough. So I'm doing the same thing again. It's practically like you can see everything that I'm doing is very self-explanatory, so you can definitely watch it and see everything that I'm doing. It's the same thing. Try it like you're starting a feeding braid, and then add how many braiding hairs that you want, depending on how thick you want your braid to be. So guys, you can see I'm almost done. If you're here now, and if you've watched up to this part and you have not clicked that subscribe button, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload, and please do keep watching, because at the end I have a very big surprise for you. So do keep watching till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this braid. This is the finished look, and if you enjoyed this, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time here, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new videos, so you don't miss any upload from me. Okay, and thank you so much for all the returning subscribers. Thank you for always supporting me. So you guys, this makeup look I have already uploaded on my channel, so do go ahead and watch it. It's the fox eye makeup look, so do go ahead and watch that and enjoy that video, guys. Have fun on my channel. This is what we are here to do. We are here to have fun. Okay, have fun and learn. So you go ahead and watch that video, learn and have fun. So I'll see you guys in my next video.